Hello and welcome to Olibr. Python, a powerhouse in the world of programming, owes its popularity to its high-level capabilities and simple syntax. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned developer, mastering Python is essential. Python at a glance. Python, created in the late 1980s, has evolved into a versatile language with applications across domains. From web apps to game development, data science to IoT, its extensive support modules and active community make it a go-to choice. Top 12 Python tips and tricks. Now, let's delve into some Python tips and tricks that can elevate your coding game. Starting with basic level coding tips. Use in-place swapping for intuitive variable swapping. With Python, you can intuitively do assignments and swap in one line. Chain multiple comparison operators for concise and readable code. When you chain or aggregate comparison operators, it helps you make your Python code concise and easy to read. Enhance code readability with multi-line strings. While it may be tricky to manage multi-line strings in Python, you can span the string to the next line by using a backslash. Unpack list elements into separate variables for efficient coding. Use a list to initialize variables. However, ensure that the number of elements in the list should not be more than the count of variables while unpacking. Check the result of recently executed commands in Python. When an expression or function is tested, the result is dispatched to a temporary variable, _. This is a useful hack in the Python console that is worth discovering. Create dictionaries or sets with comprehensions for efficient coding. Using dictionary/set comprehensions just like you use list comprehensions. Moving on to intermediate level tips. Inspect object properties with the dir method. This example shows how you can inspect objects with the dir method. Optimize long if statements using the in operator. You can verify multiple values in this manner. Instead of doing this, you can do this. You can use 1, 3, 5, 7 instead of 1, 3, 5, 7 for the in operator because set can access each element by 1. Check the Python version your code is running on. If your Python engine is currently running on a version with limited support, it might not be a good idea to execute your program. You can use this coding snippet, as it also prints the currently used Python version in a readable format. Output when running on Python 2.7. Output when running on Python 3.5. Concatenate strings efficiently. Here is how you can concatenate all the tokens available in a list. Look at this example. Here is how you can create a single string from the elements in the above list. Here are 4 tips to help you reverse strings or a list in Python. You can choose the method that best suits your ongoing project. Reverse the list itself. Reverse while iterating in a loop. Reverse a string in line. Reverse a list using slicing. Use dictionaries to create a true switch case statement in Python. Here is a tip to imitate the switch case statement and make a dictionary to store expressions. Tips to become a better Python programmer. Build your GitHub repository to showcase your projects. Write readable code following PEP 8 guidelines. Read code from peers to explore different styles. Contribute to open source projects for hands-on experience. Read books to deepen your understanding of Python. Expand your skill set with trending libraries and frameworks. Master AI and machine learning applications with Python. Create proper documentation for improved code readability. Conclusion. Python is a versatile language, but to harness its true power, you need more than just syntax knowledge. By applying these tips and tricks, you can elevate your coding efficiency, contribute meaningfully to the Python community, and become a Python pro. Happy coding! For more enlightening reads, head over to our blog at olibr.com/blog. And hey, if you're on the hunt for exciting job opportunities, jump over to olibr.com and sign up. Unearth your potential, ignite your passion. Join our vibrant community across LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Threads. Stay tuned for more exciting tech insights. Like, share, and subscribe for the latest updates. Until next time, keep innovating.